Now we will look at osmosis. It's a very similar concept. The molecules will move from high to low concentration, but the main difference is they will move across a partially permeable membrane. What this means is that the membrane can only allow some of the molecules to transfer across. Let's look at these big blue molecules. Let's say these are glucose. Glucose will not be able to pass across this membrane. Only the water molecules will be able to pass across. So osmosis is the same, the movement from high to low concentration, but through a partially permeable membrane. Now, diffusion is a passive process, which means it does not require energy. In fact, it's more beneficial for the molecules to be spread out, and it's more energetically stable for them to balance this situation where they are closely compact on one side and there are less on this side. So it's more energetically favorable for them to spread out across both mediums. Now, the factors which affect osmosis are temperature, same as diffusion. When you heat the molecules, they have more energy and they move around a lot quicker. Concentration gradient, the more molecules which are on this side, the more likely it is for them to move onto this side. We're talking about the water molecules in particular. And finally, the diffusion distance. If the molecules have to move a lot further to reach the other side across the partially permeable membrane, then diffusion will be slower. If it's only a very, very short distance these molecules have to cross, osmosis will be a lot quicker.